Today we are going to be getting into the EMART green screen. I'm going to be talking about it. We're going to be talking about different green screens. We're going to be putting different backgrounds on my head so you guys can see what the backgrounds look like. What I'm talking, the background behind me right now was edited in like DaVinci Resolve or something, or any of the editing software that you like. But yeah, let's get into it. Hey guys, if you're watching this video, the like button wants you to click the like button, and the subscribe button wants you to hit the subscribe button with the notifications on. And yeah, you got that. And then basically it's just a release. This is the you got that. Look behind here. You got the scissor lift type thing right here. And that's how that thing works. And this is how about how big it is. But about how big it is. And like, if you're wanting to put it back down, you just, it is a little bit shaky, but you'd want to hold it. And there it is. You just shut it back up. You got these, but I don't know if these even work. Because this one over here is kind of messed up a little bit. But, I don't know if I'd trust latching it. Just leave it unlatched, you know what I'm saying? But, other than that, we got the EMART illuminated. But yeah, like it got these little bearings and but then, what does this say? But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you more about why they would want you to push those things in. I don't know if it makes it more stable, but they have those little things under it. If I can show you. I don't even know if I can do it with the camera in my hand. But yeah. Have these little slider things that come out. But they said right here. See that little slider thing? They said right here that you want to turn them, please turn out the, oh, so they're saying they probably want you to turn them out before use. Does that, please turn out the mount plate before use. They're wanting you to turn these out. So you shouldn't be using it without these in case the green screen tips over. So this is what they use that for. These, the things that are under the, so these little mounting plates, or so the green screen doesn't tip over. Just to tell you guys that. But yeah, my green screen, I'm gonna go set that up real fast. Okay, I'm gonna go bring up the green screen so you guys can see me like bringing it up and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna bring the green screen up. I'm gonna bring it up real fast. Building up like a lot of static, but a dead fly on it. Now I'm green screened out, guys. And like, you could put me on different backgrounds and stuff. I'm just gonna put a random background up so you guys can see. You guys are probably gonna be putting random backgrounds on me, but yeah, let's see if I can put like an image or something behind me. I don't know if I have any pictures. I definitely do have some pictures I could use. Let me get them real quick. I haven't put the chroma key on it yet in OBS, but this isn't how you do it. You just do it in like editing software, but I don't know. It look a lot better if you did it in the editing software than if you did it with this. But this is what I can show you live. But if you did it in the editing software, it'd look a lot better. But this is just supposed to be a blue background. And it's not working very good, but because it's taking half of my head out right here. But I don't know. But if you did, I'm gonna get my head back. But if you did, well, I mean, it kind of works right now, but except for like the little. But if you did it in the editing software, it would be a lot better than if you just did it with the OBS or whatever else you're using to record. But I mean, it looks pretty good with this blue background that I got right here. And yeah, I like it. I like this green screen. I'm probably going to use it a lot for my other YouTube channels and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this green screen. It's pretty good. I like it, but some other people might not be ideal, but this is my honest review that about the EMART collapsible green screen. They gave me this for free, and yeah, that doesn't influence it how I review this. They didn't tell me to say anything. They just sent me the green screen for free, but yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys about it. And if you're looking for a green screen, you're trying to make like YouTube videos and stuff, this is a good one to get started. if you have a webcam and everything to do it. But I mean, there's cheaper alternatives, but this one will last you a pretty long time. So I mean, they have other versions of this that are they just have other versions of this, like but yeah, this is the EMART one. I know they have other versions, but the EMART one's pretty good too. They didn't tell me to say anything. I'm being honest right now. They didn't tell me to say anything. This is my honest review. I like it. But if you want in the editing software to look a lot better, right now it looks a little bit grainy. Like you can see a little bit of D-spill around my hands and stuff, but it looks pretty good to me. Are my glasses like reflecting off the green screen too? A little bit. That's why I got my other glasses, but you know, I got my other glasses right here that aren't all scratched up. But they're a little bit more blurry. I like these ones a lot better. Because they're... And these are safety glasses. They have the little side shields too. They put on the side of them. But yeah, these ones are kind of scratched up, but... But yeah, I really do like this green screen. But I'm not trying to sell you on it. Like, if this isn't the right fit for you, I wouldn't buy it. Like, they didn't pay me, they just sent me a free green screen. I mean, I like it, but it's not for everybody. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.